Welcome to the Meow Meow Vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Senado. Tingnan nyo ang daming police dito. At mukhang unsuccessful yung assassination attempt na ginawa nila. May nagbarilan doon sa loob, and I believe they tried to kill a few senators in order to force a change in Senate leadership. Mukhang excited na sila sa impeachment, kaya lahat ginagawa na nila. But it failed, and all of our senators are safe. We're still getting reports if there's any casualties, any injuries. But right now, ito yung sitwasyon natin. Okay? Everyone, have a great night and God bless.